Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix League of Legends stuck on loading screen easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do, click here and then type background apps, and after that make sure to turn off the first option here and close it, and then go to game mode, settings, and first enable this option, go to Xbox Game Bar, turn it off, and go to captures, turn off those options, and after that go to Windows Update settings, and now click check for updates and install updates as you can find, and then just to start your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.